Dive into English. Unmasking Interrogative Adjectives. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today we're diving into a captivating topic. Interrogative adjectives. Yes, you heard it right. We'll decipher what they are, how they work, and how to use them effectively in our daily communication. Let's start by understanding what interrogative adjectives are. They are a type of adjective that we use to ask questions about people or things. In English, there are three main interrogative adjectives, which are which, what, and whose. Remember, these words become interrogative adjectives when they are used to modify a noun and form a question. For example, whose coat is this? What time is it? Which book do you want to read? This is where things get a bit tricky. The words which, what, and whose can also be used as interrogative pronouns. The difference lies in their function in the sentence. When these words are followed by a noun, they are acting as interrogative adjectives. However, if they stand alone, they are acting as interrogative pronouns. For example, whose is this? Interrogative pronoun. Whose book is this? Interrogative adjective. Now, let's learn how to use these in our daily communication. Remember, the key is to ask questions about specifics. You're narrowing down choices or seeking particular information. So, the next time you're looking for your book in a pile, you can ask, which book is mine? Or when you're trying to decide on a meal, you might ask, what dish should I order? Or if you're in a room full of people and you find a hat on the floor, you could ask, whose hat is this? Alright, learners, that was our deep dive into the world of interrogative adjectives. I hope this has made them clearer for you and will help you use them more effectively in your daily communication. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to form your own sentences with interrogative adjectives. See you in the next video, where we'll continue our fascinating journey into the world of English grammar. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.